And also some gorgeous sunshine for them this morning. It's probably a
yeah.
little chilly, but it looked like t-shirts for a lot of folks.
Yeah, it's a chilly start, but it's going to shape up to be a pretty warm day. It's a nice day for a 5K or any outdoor activities. This is a beautiful shot here from Pacific Beach on this Saturday morning. If you're going to get into the water temperatures between 66 to 67 degrees right now. It's 8:40. Switching now to our current temperatures on land across the county. We're looking at the upper 40s still in Ramona, so still pretty cool there. It is going to warm up though. 59 in Julian, Escondido right now at 55 degrees. Fallbrook, you're at 62, and over in the South Bay, Imperial Beach, good morning, you are still in the mid 50s. We are still dealing with high pressure, so temperatures will continue to be warm today. However, as we get into next week, things are going to start to switch. We're talking about a cool down as we get into Sunday and Monday. Patchy fog, we could see that return tonight into tomorrow morning. Still dealing with weak Santa Ana, so just something to keep in mind with the dry and warm weather that we are going to experience. Your forecast highs here, mid 70s in Del Mar, 86 in Poway, a little bit warmer there in El Cajon, and in the South Bay Chula Vista in the upper 70s. Your 7-day forecast here along the coast, we're going to cool it on down Sunday into Monday. We do see that bigger drop as we get started in our next work week. Patchy fog expected over the next few mornings. In our inland valleys here, quite a big difference from Saturday into Monday. So a 10-degree drop there. We're going to stay in the lower 70s as we get into Wednesday. Overnight lows there pretty cool. Mountains in the mid 70s for your weekend. The desert 90 today.